Now let me show you how we can clear the other storage on your Mac. So of course, if you go to your settings like that, you'll have the ability to browse the storage. So in the general, you can go to storage like that and see what's taking it up, right? So you can see it's going to calculate it, and it depends on your situation. But if you have quite a while, which is like in the other category, then it may not be ideal, right? And obviously you can do some things in here which you are probably aware of, but you can see, for example, system data 38 gigabytes on my device, and I cannot really access it in here. And that's why I think it's better to use an app for this purpose. I'm going to show you one application which I used for a long time, but full disclaimer that I'm not affiliated with them in any way. I just tried it and even bought it, and it was like fine. So I'm gonna recommend you the app called DaisyDisk. So you can download it on your Mac computer like this, and once you give it permission to, of course, scan your files, you can perform a scan like this, and it will essentially run the scan through all of the stuff. And it's like a nice app because, you know, as I said, you have to give it access to, you know, your files so it can actually perform the scan properly, but then it's going to visually show you how much data you have available and so on. And usually the system is going to be some data in here which you can get to, and it's probably going to be some volumes. You can see pre-boot, some indexes, the files from the apps that you use, private frameworks. You know, these are apps which, or files which you don't really need to have on your device anymore, mostly cached files. So you can try to, you know, grab it and move it to the trash. If it's something which is absolutely necessary for your Mac, it's not going to let you delete it. But, you know, if it's something that you want to get rid of, then it will probably let you do that. But my point is that using this, you have the ability to manage the storage a little bit better. For example, the cached files, some 5 gigabytes of that, right? I can remove it like that. 5 gigs selected. I can click on a delete, and it will essentially delete that. So this is what I use on my device. Let me know if you tried the app or if you plan on trying it out on your Mac as well. Thanks a lot for watching, and I'll catch you later in the future uploads.